Finance go to war for you. Visit spartafinance.ca.
Hey everyone, it's Richard here with Sparta Finance, here to give you a free tip. Did you know that if you usually qualify for an interest rate of 8% or less, whether it's on a mortgage or an auto or leisure loan, that you typically have an opportunity to get even a lower interest rate? Once you go to a dealership or you're dealing with a mortgage broker or the finance director or finance manager at a dealership, and you typically qualify for that 6, 7, or 8% interest rate on an auto, or possibly 1, 2, 3-ish% on the mortgage rate, depending on if it's variable or fixed, you typically qualify for a lower interest rate. And believe it or not, that's actually up to the finance manager or the mortgage broker. So keep that in mind and make sure that you negotiate for your interest rate. That's typically the first place that a dealership or a mortgage broker can make their profit, because they get paid commissions depending on the higher rate that they can upsell you on. Hey, to avoid these tactics at dealerships or other companies, contact us today and check out our free credit building link at spartafinance.ca and then click on the credit building tab, or apply with us today at spartafinance.ca. Give us a call, 1-833-477-SPARTA.